I'm Amy Sadler with Amy Sadler Designs, and you are watching Hometalk. This beautiful MDF cabinet door, I get all of my cabinet doors like this at the Restore, the Habitat for Humanity Restore. We're going to paint it white with the just acrylic paint. You can use white chalk paint. You can use acrylic paint. If you're using a wood panel or a canvas, you're going to want to just put a coat of paint down. We are going to be using the decor metallic paint extreme sheen in the color garnet. And don't be afraid to get a little paint on your hands, because a little paint makes you feel alive, I say. Again, be sure and get the sides. They will show. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go over the top one more time to make sure I don't have any running paint and all of my brush strokes are in the same direction. And I'm gonna set this one to the side. We're gonna do a new color. This color, we are going to use the same Deco Art Extreme Sheen in the color Pink Tourmaline. I don't need to clean my brush in between. I'm just gonna wipe it off and make sure there's no, like, not a ton of paint from the earlier color. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and paint with the same brush. Now I'm gonna learn my lesson again, and I'm gonna do the sides first, so I don't have to hold the wet paint, and I can fix any mistakes I make on the top. Okay, there we have our pink. Next we are going to do, I couldn't decide between the copper and the rose gold, but I think I'm going to do the rose quartz. Wipe it down again, and then hardly anything's coming off, so I'm free to go ahead and put my lighter color on there with the same brush, so I don't have to keep stopping and cleaning. I'm loving these pinks. I want to keep this pretty simple and let the metallic colors be the focal point. So we're going to paint these letters white, just like our cabinet door, just like our base. And I was thinking while it was drying that because my hearts come up on the cabinet front a little bit, I went ahead and I glued 3 popsicle sticks together just with hot glue, and I'm going to place them here in the center because they make it flush with the top. So, and the point being that there's a workaround, an inexpensive workaround to almost any problem that you encounter when you're crafting. So I'm just going to glue these on here, and then I'm going to decide which heart I want where and which one I want beside each other. And so I'm just gonna place my hearts down and then rearrange them if I want to. Of course, if you're using a flat board from the Dollar Tree or something that you have already, a panel, you won't need to do this step. Thought about distressing them or adding glaze to them, but then I just love the clean of the white and the white letters on top, so then the metallic colors stand out. So I'm not gonna do anything, but if you want a more rustic look, feel free to distress or glaze. And there we go. So pretty. I love how this turned out. So adorable. Now let's see it in my house.